This is Nishtu and you are watching Shekul. Not Shekul. Shekul with her
Suitcase.
suitcase.
Hi, I'm Sam,
He's my husband.
and this is my beautiful wife. So now onwards, I'll be there in this every video, and you are going to see something very new on upcoming days. So till today, if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe.
Subscribe Shekul with
With suitcase.
suitcase. हम करेंगे हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट, देन फ्रेश होकर एंड रेडी होकर हम जाएंगे हमारी सिटी टूर पर. दिस इज़ वेरी कंफर्टेबल एक्चुअली एंड बहुत ही अच्छा नींद भी हुआ हमें क्योंकि हम लोग थे बहुत ही टायर्ड. सो हम लोग जल्दी सो भी गए एंड जल्दी हमारा नींद भी पूरा हो गया. तो हमने सोचा कि चलो अभी ब्रेकफास्ट कर लेते हैं, देन हम लोग फ्रेश होकर रेडी होकर घूमने के लिए निकलेंगे. हमारा जो कार है वो भी आ जाएगा शायद अराउंड 9:30 to 10 o'clock. यहाँ के लोग बहुत ही पंक्चुअल है, एकदम राइट टाइम पर वो आ जाते हैं एंड बहुत ही सिस्टमेटिक वे पे ये कंट्री चलती है. अच्छा लग रहा है, अभी तक एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा है. आगे भी मैं शेयर करते रहूँगी आप लोगों के साथ कि हम लोग कैसे एंजॉय कर रहे हैं क्योंकि अभी पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन है तो थोड़ा सा रेस्ट्रिक्शन तो है और ये तो होना ज़रूरी भी है. पर मैं दिखाती हूँ कि हम लोग कैसे रेस्ट्रिक्शन को मेंटेन करके, सभी चीज़ों को मेंटेन करके, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग वगैरह मेंटेन करके कैसे घूम रहे हैं, ताकि आप लोग भी अगर सोच रहे हैं कि क्योंकि हम लोग सभी लोग तो बोर हो गए हैं घर पर रहते रहते, तो अगर आप भी सोच रहे हैं कि कहीं पर आ जाना है तो आ सकते हैं यहाँ पर भी. तो आपको एक नॉलेज हो जाएगा छोटा मोटा कि कैसे आना है, क्या करना है, क्या क्या आपको फॉलो करना है. सो हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट, वाओ.
Hi guys, this is Sam, and today is the second day. We are on the rooftop of our hotel, and this is the view. So our city tour has started today. And this is Farooq, who is our guide today. And next to my beautiful wife.
So the whole Dubai ends here.
Okay, all Dubai ends.
Yeah, the whole Dubai ends here. That's the last tower of whole Dubai. And then it's New Dubai. So from New Dubai you will see, the first thing you're gonna see is Dubai Freight. That's Dubai Port. So this is Dubai Port and Customs. All the big cruises, well, they actually come here. I mean, I think still there are 2 cruises still here only.
If anybody want to come with their means from the India and all, if they want to come with their private yacht and all, so what is the rules over here to enter?
Private yacht. I'll have to check that. I've never heard about people coming from yacht to Dubai, but I think they do. Maybe, not sure. But we can check on that. It's a good idea though. Okay, so we are entering towards the Jumeirah. Now that's the museum over there, Etihad Museum, where you have the UAE big national flag as well. And on Independence Day, they do a lot of lightning shows and all in regards to the flag. And that's Etihad Museum on your right.
What is this left side design?
This is all commercial area offices,
Okay.
and that's the Etihad Museum. This is a new one they have made actually.
Oh,
Yeah.
really beautiful.
So we have entered the Jumeirah area. Now this is called one of the most royal places in Dubai, where all the king families, rich people and royal families stay here. You can see on your right, these are all king's relatives and royal families staying here. Ah, there's a police car, you saw it?
Oh.
This is one of the royal family houses. But this is one of the most famous places because of the beaches around and rich and royal people living here. This is the old Dubai Zoo,
Okay.
which is closed. Now they have opened much bigger than this, which is outside the city. And they have got like more than 3,500 animals.
Oh.
And I think 2,000 species of animals they have got in that new zoo. Mall as well, Mercato Mall, very famous mall. Whole area behind this is the beach. So till here, from here till the end,
Huh.
till Burj Al Arab, I mean till Palm Jumeirah Marina, it's continuously beaches behind this area.
It's a mosque maybe.
Yes, it's a lot more. One of mosques in Jumeirah. Jumeirah also you have got areas like Jumeirah 1, Jumeirah 2, Jumeirah 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the Jumeirah beach. Now this is very famous because Burj Al Arab is very next to this beach.
Okay.
That's the reason this, and today it's like you will see a lot of people because today is Saturday and people are enjoying their weekend.
So guys, this is the Jumeirah beach and it's very beautiful.
And this is Burj Al Arab. It's the only 7-star hotel of the world. And little bit later we're going to visit that place. Let's see how it's done. And today it is very much leisure day. Everybody is doing surfing over here. So this is the Hotel Atlantis. The old one, very big, very beautiful. And here we are in this man-made island, Palm Jumeirah. Unbelievably beautiful.
It's very beautiful.
And this is where that's the biggest in the world now. And your cruise was yesterday there only.
This is the beaches for?
This is for the hotel,
Okay. This is also.
Private beach.
private beach.
Okay.
That's the hotel. We're gonna go towards the main Palace just to show you where exactly the King's Palace is. And then I'll drop you guys to Dubai Mall. Okay. This is the exhibition center over here. On the left. These are all the exhibition centers. So, you know, those expos and whatever exhibition is there in regards to electronics or defense or anything, it's all here in this exhibition center.
So this is the King's Palace started from here.
Yeah, the land actually.
Land,
This is
yeah.
private land. And the King's Palace is